DIY auto repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And today we're going to be looking at some more Harbor Freight savings. So this is going to be the Father's Day sale, 3 days only in store and online, Friday, June 16th through Sunday, June 18th. So guys, I know we just put out a video for Inside Track Club members. We were a little late on it, but we went ahead and put it out anyway, just to help everybody know that it was the last day. And now we're going to be looking at the Father's Day savings for everyone. So there's not going to be any issue with these. It's for everybody. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this. It's going to be short, sweet, and to the point. And most of this stuff that you're going to see right now is already out for the super coupon. That's going to be happening all month, or at least for the rest of the month, I believe. But anyway, we're focusing on this right now. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So your two biggest things, guys, for this weekend for the Father's Day sale is going to be this Father's Day sale 20% off coupon, as well as your 15% off U.S. General Series 2 single bank roller cabinets. So those are going to be your two biggest coupons this weekend that everybody has access to. So we're going to go ahead and look at the 20% off coupon. So again, 20% off any single item, 3 days only, Friday, June 16th through Sunday, June 18th. So it's limit one coupon per person or per customer per day. Valid in-store and online. Coupon must be presented at time of sale. Save 20% on any single item purchased. Coupon cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, gift cards, prior purchases, Atlas, Bauer, Central Machinery, Cover Pro, Hercules, Predator, compressors, generators, power stations, jacks, miter saws, safes, storage cabinets, carts, chests, or welders. Coupon cannot be combined with other discounts or promotions. Offer valid on in-stock items only. Other restrictions may apply. Valid 6/16/23 through 6/18/23. So there you have it, guys. There's some couple exclusions there, but not too bad. Usually these are how the coupons go. It's very rare that they put out one that has no exclusions, and those are definitely great. So anyway, there's your 20% off coupon. That's probably what I'm going to be utilizing this weekend myself. There's a few items I might want to pick up. The second thing is going to be this 15% off U.S. General Series 2 all 26-inch by 22-inch single bank roller cabinets. And there you have all your colors down below. There's not much else to it, just all Series 2 single bank roller cabinets. And just be mindful, guys, that you have to have these coupons on you at the time of purchase, whether it be on your phone or in person. They will need to scan these coupons in order to give you the sale. So just keep that in mind, guys. So we're going to go ahead. We have this next. We have this Pittsburgh 1.5 ton low profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump. I've said this before, guys. I don't have any experience with the Pittsburgh brand jacks, but for a couple dollars more, you could put with it and get a Daytona jack. I believe they have the Daytona version in this configuration here. I believe it's on sale for $100 instead of the original $130. So even the original price, I believe that's what it is. You're still not too far off. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. The price range is not too far off. I personally would rather put some extra money with it and get a better quality jack. Not taking anything away from the Pittsburgh brand jacks, because I personally don't have any experience with them. But based off what I've seen in store, I prefer the Daytona. I have the Daytona and I prefer it. So anyway, we're going to keep moving on. Here's a titanium easy flux 125 amp welder. Original price is $199.99. On sale for $169.99. We have the Braun 10,000 lumen 4-foot linkable diamond plate LED hanging shop light. On sale for $42.99. Original price is $54.99. Then we have the Bauer 7.5 amp 6-inch long throw random orbit DA polisher. Original price is $99.99. On sale right now for $74.99. Next we have my enemy. Just kidding, guys. The Braun 390 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic slim bar work light. Original price is $29.99. It's on sale for $19.99. Again, guys, I've had really bad experience with these. I would highly suggest you stay away from them. If anybody has had any positive or negative things to say about this light, put in the comment section below. I would honestly like to know if anybody else has had any negative or bad experiences with this work light, or was it just me? I'm very curious to know. So next we have the Fortress 2-gallon 135 psi ultra quiet hand carry job site air compressor. Original price is $199.99. On sale for $169.99. Then we have this Warrior 12-volt cordless 3/8-inch drill driver kit. Original price is $19.99 and it's on sale for $14.99. And last but not least, we have the Bauer 7.3 amp 1-inch SDS Plus type variable speed rotary hammer. Original price is going to be $99.99. It's going to be on sale for $79.99. So there you have it, guys. That pretty much concludes the Father's Day sale for this weekend. And just to let you guys know, all of these coupons expire. Everything you see right here on this page, according to this coupon down here, they expire 6/18 of 23. And I just noticed this while looking at the expiration date. For this 1.5, for the aluminum Pittsburgh jack, your limit 1. I'm assuming that's limit 1 item, or is it limit 1 coupon? I guess it's the same thing. Same with the welder, your limit to 1. For the Braun light, hanging shop light, your limit to 2. For the Bauer polisher, your limit to 1. For the Braun magnetic work light, your limit is 2. For this air compressor, your limit 1. For the Warrior cordless drill driver kit, your limit 3. And for the variable speed rotary hammer, your limit on 1. So anyway, guys, there you have it. There is your Father's Day sale for this weekend. 3 days only, Friday, June 16th through Sunday, June 18th. I want to take this time to wish all the fathers out there a happy early Father's Day. I'm a father myself, and I'm super ecstatic. This is going to be my second Father's Day I'm celebrating, and it's just been a blessing. Having kids is a blessing, and I just couldn't ask for anything else in this world. Just so grateful to be a dad. So anyway, guys, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. It lets me know that you guys are liking my content, especially these sales videos. So anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and end it there. I wanted to make it short, sweet, and to the point, because the other video we put out yesterday kind of dragged. It was very long, so I kind of wanted to shorten this up a little bit. So anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to ring that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.